The art of tricking is more than just kicks and flips. The art of tricking also entails twists. Today is the day that you have decided you want to learn how to twist. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the first trick you should learn if you want to begin your twisting journey. Before you start learning the butterfly twist, make sure you have the following.
Butterfly kick.
Once you've made sure you can butterfly kick, you are now ready to proceed to
Step 1.
In order to start learning the butterfly twist, you're gonna start by practicing your grounded twist. To do a grounded twist, you're going to start in a front stance with your left foot forward. Then, pushing off the ground with your left foot, you're going to rotate around your right leg, wrapping your arms and looking for the ground over your shoulder. You can approach the grounded twist starting in a more upright position, but as you get more comfortable with the skill, gradually increase the level of inversion.
Step 2.
For step 2, you'll do the same as in step 1, but this time you're going to do your butterfly kick setup before you grounded twist. As you perform the grounded twist, make sure to keep your right leg straight and plant it on the ground in order to establish your twisting axis. Once again, it's super important to make sure you're leading the twist with your eyes, turning your head over your shoulder in order to spot the ground.
Step 3.
The final step is to take what you learned in step 2 and slowly turn it into the butterfly twist by gradually speeding up the transition between your butterfly kick setup and your grounded twist.